Let's run this. Fighting hate crime. Fighting discrimination crime. Well, they are doing discrimination crime and hate crime using their own applications on your own phone and using you to do their bid. How do you fight it? Well, you actually train their algorithm to work against them. The algorithm is trainable only by input. So you actually have to go there and do it. Go to your app store. Go into your search form. Look for anything related to C19 or Green Pass. You will see a lot of applications provided by limited liability companies and trying to pass as government. Some of them are related to countries. Some of them are related to hospitals. For instance, the green one, it says Ministero della Salute, Health Ministry in Italy. Okay, how do you fight hate crime and discrimination? You go into the application. Do not install it if you are Android. Unfortunately, if you are iPhone, you have to first install it. Then you put your little finger on those three dots and flag it as inappropriate. Why? 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 Other. And you submit it. Now, until you provide a reasonable objection, it's not going anywhere. So you provide one. Promotes hate crime and discrimination. Good. Your problem is there are a lot of applications like this. So what you want to do is select all and copy it. Once you hit OK, your little protest has been done. You need to talk to your friends. The more people are doing this, the less the application is used. If too many people are doing this, the application is taken down by the algorithm. It ceases to exist. Out of this application, pick up another one. For instance, this. The three dots. Flag as inappropriate. Other objection. Submit. A magic of paste. Okay. And then you have to do it for every single one of them. And they are by the ton. CDC. And so on. Because if you really want to fight, remember, you have to fight your fight. And if you want to fight, you have to find your weapons. I'm just giving you an example. Just look at them. The same Italian one, well, you protested it once, but you have others that didn't come out under C19, like this one. So what you do with it? Something that must become automation gesture for you. All you have to do is sit in your couch and have fun, and then tell everybody else about it.